The next one to teach to the children is the space. Mommy and daddy must be space people, not the spacer. People that respect the spacing. For example, the children from the beginning, 3 years old, 2 years old, must go to great observatories and watch the universe, watch the cosmos. Once they start tuning in with the idea of cosmos, little stupid things will not bother them anymore. And that's from what they are deprived. They don't have the space. Give them space. Microscopes. You see, space goes in two directions. To greater cosmos into minutest cosmos. They must know what is the microscope. How many millions lives are living in one drop of water? And what these lives are doing. Eventually the child will reach to the conclusion that there is nothing else in the life but life. And cosmos. Show them the galaxies. I took a boy that was very naughty. Very, very stupid boy. I said, one day I will take you somewhere, I said. He said, where? Oh, the Greenfield Observatory. When he started to look, my gosh, he said, what's that? He's 4 years old. And the man explained, that's the galaxy, that's the fire, that's the explosions, and that's that. When we took him home, he was a different person. Because you gave his space now. He knows that the whole universe is him, is in him, belongs to him. So what you did, you opened that bottled spirit and released that. You are all bottled because you think whatever you are this, nothing else. You are not this. You are the universe, the whole existence. If you give these ideas to your children, you will see what will happen. They will be geniuses, saviors, great servers, great heroes. Because if you examine the mind and the psychology of a criminal and the hero, you will find that one has a space, another does not have a space. One is limited, one is unlimited. This is the basic of the new psychology we are giving you. Huh? Space. Expand the space. You can start expanding the space, taking them canyons, gorges, waterfalls, oceans, mountains, universe, cosmos, infinity. Take them viewpoints, for example, you see. I felt headache one day. I was driving to Arizona. 8 hours I am driving, it was hot. So my head became smaller and smaller because I was feeling that my space was limiting itself, you see, shrinking itself. So when I went through the mountain and start to see that valley, that thousands of miles, headache gone because of space. See, in Arizona I am going to give these space healing processes. Few psychiatrists also are coming there to see what I am going to talk about. Expand the space in the children. Don't say our country is this. Look, see, in the map, this is our country. Don't tell it. If child asks us, is this whole globe our country? No, the whole our country. Oh, as far as you can reach through your imagination, it is ours. And then the child will not fight for a piece of land because it will be so ridiculous for him. If I have everything, why to fight with some buggies? Did you see that?